In front of me is POCO C40, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder on this POCO. First of all, you need to select Tools folder by clicking on it and choose Recorder app. Now tap on this red button to start a recording. Then click on while using the app in the pop-up. And as you can see, recording is now on. If you wish to pause it or unpause it, you can do that by selecting the middle button. If you wish to add a bookmark, click on the left one, and in order to end it and save it, click on the right one. Now name your recording however you wish to, and tap on OK. Then select this right button over here to see a list of all your recordings. Then click on Allow, and as you can see, mine is over here. If you wish to play it, just click on it. If you wish to delete it though, you need to go back, hold it, select Delete icon at the bottom right corner, and tap on Delete in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!